It's Monday and I've just been resting all day. Surprise! We have a little bit of a busy week ahead, so I wanted to get all rested up and prepare for the week ahead. I'm making meal plans and I'm watching Dallas Cowboys cheerleaders auditions. I'm out with the boys going potty because it's finally cool enough outside in the backyard because it's becoming fall! I love fall! Except I'm allergic to pumpkin. Like all squashes and pumpkin's a squash. The best holiday in the fall is Halloween! We're dressing up as Winnie the Pooh and I am just elated with how the costumes are coming out.
Go play! Dell's ready to play and Levi's ready.
So yeah, self-care, planning, getting my life together. Tonight for dinner I am having salmon with honey and lemon on it and haven't decided what else, but I feel like the protein's the hard part. Yeah, mom's cooking it for me because she's cool.
No, Dave! Get out!
Hello, vlog. It me. It is September 20th, 2017, Wednesday. Just been resting the past couple of days. Story of my life. Last night, Sam and Kai came over and we just did nothing. Just watched Hocus Pocus and that's it. Not very vlog worthy. So tomorrow I'm going to be going to a water park with some friends, and once every 3 months I can do a thing that's like where it takes all day and I don't need Levi, but I take a steroid, I take hydrocortisone and prednisone, and then a medication called Provigil, and it's a stimulant and that lasts for 16 hours. So like it basically makes me feel healthy for 16 hours with that combination of medication. However, a stimulant and steroids, they destroy your adrenals and they're not good for you, like long term. Like I was taking them long term in 2016 and in 2015, and they just, when I wasn't on them, I was more sick than I was than I started with, if that makes sense, right? Yeah, so it's wild. So now I only do it every 3 months. So I'm like, oh, I'm so excited. I think that there's like confusion sometimes when I'm like, I'm not bringing Levi somewhere. And it's like, if you think of him as medical equipment, and if you think of someone that uses a wheelchair but doesn't use it all the time, like doesn't necessarily need it for short distances. I'm going through some old vlog footage from last year and it is hilarious. There's one where I went to the Sasquatch Museum and I was very inebriated at the Sasquatch Museum.
You're a good boy? Yeah? Are you good, Levi?
He's like, I do not care.
What, pup? Are you still gonna sulk?
Anyway, alright. See ya tomorrow. I'm in frame. Hello, dog vlog. Whenever I have this camera, I feel like I have to say dog vlog instead of just regular vlog. Hey, at me and Levi and mom's driving. And I'm going to meet Sam and Kai at Universal to go to Volcano Bay today. I took the steroid and the stimulant I was telling you about before, and I threw up once or a few times on the way. My puke's in that bag, and but I feel better once I threw up, so that's good. I just think like I have inflammation and the vasovagal reaction just like hates me, or nerve hates me, so. But whenever I was throwing up, Levi was right next to me, like watching me. He's so attentive. Like there's not really much he can do while I'm puking, but he can just be there for moral support. Just gonna drink some water and continue with the day. Made it!
Volcano Bay!
And doing the thing. I feel so much better since I threw up.
Cinnabon coffee. There is a difference. Also, I can't believe he's leaving for Cinnabon. I can't believe he's leaving for coffee. At least this is my own meat sack for Cinnabon coffee.
It's Friday the 22nd and it's 5:30 p.m. I woke up a few hours ago after a marathon sleep and I feel like I've been run over by like 2 semis instead of 1 semi like usual. I just looked at the footage from yesterday and it's really cute. Hope you enjoyed that. That waterproof camera gives me such life. Sorry for the shaky cam part, but that camera's like 10 years old, but it does the job. So my everything hurts. Like if I went into detail, it would just be me literally saying every single part of my body, so I will skip that. So far today for food, I've had chia pudding and I'm about to have dumplings, so I'm just trying to keep my nutrition on point and keep on keeping on. And I do not regret at all going yesterday. I had so much fun. Definitely my muscles were giving out at some points of the day and I was falling and it was okay, but I definitely couldn't live like that every day. So that goes back to my speech before I went to the park yesterday about saying like, yeah, people can walk short distances with their wheelchair or walker, which is for me a short day without Levi is that equivalent. I will check in periodically through Sunday morning, maybe Sunday afternoon. So hi vlog, it's Sunday night at 11:19 p.m. and I am having a bad time. Over the course of this week, I was starting to get a really bad toothache, and I thought it was because of my wisdom teeth, and it was putting pressure. I have one broken tooth. Anyway, people with Lyme often don't have teeth by the time they're 30 because they rot out. I'm allergic to like so many chemicals that dentists use, and also pyroluria causes gum disease, so it's really difficult to keep up with my teeth no matter how hard I try. Anyway, I digress on that point, but I have been taking a lot of tramadol for the pain, and I hate opioids honestly, but sometimes for tooth pain especially, mostly just for tooth pain, it works. So I'm just doing a mixture of CBD, tramadol, ibuprofen, and Benadryl to keep the swelling down. Earlier tonight, I took some antibiotics and they seem to be helping. But the first time I took them, I threw them up. So I ate a little something, and then the second attempt seemed to be successful, but I'm just like really worn out. So I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you want to check it out, I just posted a later vlog from a year ago. I just edited it today and uploaded it, so I will get this vlog up on Monday, and I hope you guys have a great week ahead. I'm just gonna keep on trying. Ow. Goal this week, get to the dentist. Yeah. Bye.